Hello, my friends. My name is Andesha Murjanati. You can call me Shahmi. I am a student at Rumah Belajar Bersama, a place to study English, Arabic, and mathematics, learn reading and writing for kids, recite Quran, etc. Today, I wanna read chapter 13, gerunds and infinitives, exercise 1, 2, exercise 15. 15. Exercise 1. Verbs plus gerund. Directions. Complete the sentences by using gerunds. Add a preposition after the gerund if necessary. 1. It was cold and rainy yesterday, so we postponed going to the zoo. 2. The poster's house is too small. They, they are considering moving to a bigger house. 3. We discussed about going to Colorado for our vacation. 4. When Martha finished cleaning the floor, she dusted the furniture. 5. Sometimes students put off doing their homework. We had a blizzard yesterday, but it finally stopped raining around 1 p.m. I quit reading comic books when I was 12 years old. I am thinking about taking a biology course next semester. Beth doesn't like her job. She is talking about getting a different job. I enjoy doing sports. I am considering going to New York City. Are you listening to me? Yes, keep talking. I'm listening. Do you want to take a break? No, I'm not. I am not tired yet. Let's keep on watching for another hour or so. Would you mind opening the window? Not at all. I'd be glad to. I'm thinking about not going to the meeting tomorrow. Really? Why? I hope you decide to go. We need your input. Exercise 2. Verbs plus gerund. Directions. Complete the sentences in the dialogues. Use the expressions in the list or your own words. Be sure to use a gerund in each sentence. 1. Would you like to go for a walk? Has it stopped raining? Yes, let's go. 2. I've been having a lot of trouble with my Volkswagen the last couple of months. It's slowly falling apart. I'm thinking about buying a new car. Do you think you will get another Volkswagen? No, I'm considering. What 3. What do you usually do in your free time in the evening? I enjoy reading a good book. 4. Good news. I feel great. I don't cough anymore. I don't run out of breath when I walk up a hill. Oh, I quit smoking. That's wonderful. 5. I've been working on this math problem for the last half hour, and I still don't understand it. Well, don't give up. Keep trying. If at first you don't succeed, try again. 6. Are you a procrastinator? What? A procrastinator. That's someone who always postpones doing things. Oh well, sometimes I put off doing my homework. 7. What are you doing? I'm helping Teddy with his homework. When you finish, help him. Could you help me in the kitchen? Sure. 8. Could you please stop doing that? Doing what? Stop tapping your fingernail on. It's driving me crazy. 9. Do you have any plans for this weekend? B. Henry and I talked about going to the zoo on Saturday. 10. I didn't understand what you said. Would you mind repeating that? Of course not. I said three free trees. Exercise 4. Go plus ing. Directions. Directions. Answer the question. Use the expressions with go plus ing leads in lead in listed in Chart 13 to 2. 1. Anne often goes to the beach. She spends hours in the water. What does she like to do? She likes to go swimming. 2. Nancy and Frank like to spend the whole day on a lake with poles in their hands. What do they like to do? They like to go spending the whole day on a lake with poles in their hands. Last summer, Adam went to a national park. He slept in a tent and cooked his food over a fire. What did Adam do last summer? He went camping last summer. 4. Tim likes to go to stores and buy things. What does he like to do? Tim likes to go shopping. Laura takes good care of her health. She runs a couple of miles every day. What does Laura do every day? She likes to go jogging or go running. On weekends in the winter, Fred and Jane sometimes drive to a resort in the mountains. They like to race down the side of a mountain in the snow. What do they like to do? They like to go skating. Joy likes to take long walks in the woods. What does Joy like to do? Joy likes to go sightseeing. Sarah prefers indoor sports. She goes to a place where she rolls in a 13-pound ball at some wooden pins. What does Sarah often do? She often go bowling. Liz and Greg know all the latest dance. Why? What do they probably do a lot? A lot. They they like to go dancing. The Taylors are going to go to a little lake near their house tomorrow. The lake is completely frozen now that it's winter. The ice is smooth. What are the Taylors going to do tomorrow? They will go skating. Alex and Barbara live near the ocean. When there is a strong wind, they like to spend the whole day in their sailboat. What do they like to do? They like to go boating. Tourists often get on buses that take them to see interesting places in an area. What do tourists do on buses? They like to go sightseeing. College and Ben like to jump out of airplanes. They don't open their parachutes until the last minute. What do they like to do? They like to go skydiving. What do you like to do for exercise and fun? I like to go watching or reading. Exercise 5. Verbs plus infinitive. Directions. Complete the sentences by using infinitives. Add a preposition after the infinitive if necessary. 1. I'm planning to go or to visit or to fly to try to go next week. 2. I've decided to get a new apartment. 3. Jack promised not to go late for the wedding. I forgot to buy some rice when I went to the grocery store. I would like to go to the Grand Canyon. My husband and I would love to visit Arizona. I need to do my homework tonight. What time do you expect to fly to Chicago? I want to play a ball game on TV after dinner tonight. You seem to be in a good mood today. Susie appeared to be asleep, but she wasn't. She was only pretending. Susie pretended to be asleep. She pretended not to hear when I spoke to her. The Millers can't afford to buy a house. Georgie is only 7, but he intends to be a doctor when he grows up. My friend offered to give me a little money. Tommy doesn't like peas. He refused to eat them. My wife and I wanted to do different things this weekend. Finally, I agreed to watch a movie with her Saturday, and she agreed to play the football game with me on Sunday. I hope to pass all of my courses this term. So far, my grades have been pretty good. I try to get class on time every day. I can't wait to see my family again. It's been a long time. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to ignore you. I learned how to write when I was around 6 or 7. Exercise 6. Verbs plus gerund or infinitives. Directions. Use the given words to create sentences with gerunds and infinitives. 1. Start plus snow around midnight. It started snowing around midnight. It started to snow around midnight. 2. Continue plus work even took everyone else stopped. He continued to work even took everyone else stopped. Like plus 3. Like plus get a lot of emails from my friends. They like getting a lot of emails from my friends. 4. Love plus go to baseball game. I love to go to baseball games. 5. Hate plus talk to pushy salespeople. We had to talk to pushy salespeople. 6. Can't stand plus wait in lines for a long time. She can't stand waiting in lines for a long time. Exercise 8. Gerunds versus infinitives. Directions. Complete the sentences with the infinitives or gerund form of the words in the parentheses. 1. I need to study tonight. 2. I enjoy cooking fancy meals. Ellen started to talking about her problem. Booth and Sally have decided to get married. We finished eating around 7. I like to meet new people. My roommate offered to help me with my English. I just began watching a movie on TV when the phone rang. Please stop cracking your knuckles. Did you remember to feed the cat this morning? I won't be late. I promise to be on time. I'm considering moving to a new apartment. Some children had going to school. I forgot to lock the door when I left my apartment this morning. I don't mind living with 4 roommates. Shh. My roommate is trying to take a nap. My boss refused to give me a raise, so I quit. The company will continue to hire new employees as long as new productions orders keep coming in. That's not what I meant. I meant to say just the opposite. I went to go shopping this afternoon. Alex seems to want to go sailing this weekend. My wife can't stand sleeping in a room with all of the windows closed. Sam's tomato crop always failed. Finally, he quit trying to grow tomatoes in his garden. I enjoy being a teacher. Exercise 10. Gerund versus infinitives. Directions. Complete the sentences with a form of the word in parentheses. I want to stay home tonight. I want to relax tonight. I want to stay home and relax tonight. I want to stay home, relax, and go to bed early tonight. I enjoy getting up early in the morning. I enjoy watching the sunrise. I enjoy getting up early in the morning and watching the sunrise. I enjoy getting up early in the morning, watching the sunrise, and listening to the birds. Mr. and Mrs. Brown are thinking about selling their old house and buying a new one. Katie plans to move to New York City, find a job, and start a new life. Have you finished painting your apartment yet? Steve needs to go to the shopping mall tomorrow and buy winter clothes. Do you enjoy going to an expensive restaurant and having a gourmet dinner? Most non-smokers can't stand being in a smoke-filled room. Let's postpone going abroad until the political situation improves. The children promise to stop making so much noise. Kevin is thinking about quitting his job and going back to school. Linda plans to leave for Chicago on Tuesday and return on Friday. I often put off washing the dinner dishes until the next morning. Don't forget to unplug the coffee pot, turn off all the lights, and lock the door before you leave for work this morning. Sometimes when I am listening to someone who is speaking English very fast, I nod my head and pretend to understand. After Isabel got a speeding nick and had to pay a big fine, she decided to stop driving over the speed limit on interstate highway. I've been trying to reach Carol on the phone for the last 3 days, but she is never at home. I intend to keep trying until I finally get her. Exercise 12. Gerunds versus infinitives. Direction. Complete the sentences with the correct form, gerund or infinitive, of the words in parentheses. Have you made any vacation plans? I was hoping to go to an island off the Atlantic coast, but my wife wanted to drive down the Pacific coast. We have decided to compromise by going to neither coast. We have agreed to find a place where both of us want to go. So where are you going? Well, we have been considering going fishing in Canada. We have also discussed taking a train across central and western Canada. We have also been talking about renting a sailboat and going to sail in the Gulf of Mexico. Have you ever thought about staying home and relaxing? That's not a vacation to me. If I stay home during my vacation, I always end up doing all the chores around the house that I've put off doing for the past year. When I go on a holiday, I like visiting new places and doing new things. I enjoy seeing parts of the world I've never seen before. What place would you like to visit the most? I like to go camping in New Zealand. My wife loves camping in new places too, but I'm afraid she might refuse to go New Zealand. She doesn't like long planes flights. Why don't you just pick a spot on a map, then call and make a hotel reservation? Neither of us can stand spending 2 whole weeks at a luxury hotel. I don't mean to say anything bad about big hotels, but both of us seem to like more adventurous vacations. Well, keep thinking about it. I'm sure you will figure out a really great places for your vacation. Well, we will have to stop thinking about it sometime soon and make a decision. I can't wait to find out where you decide to go. I'll expect to hear from you when you make a decision. Don't forget to call me. Maybe we should go skiing in Switzerland, or perhaps we could go water skiing on the Nile. Then there's the possibility of going hiking in the Andes. Of course, we would probably enjoy swimming off the Great Barrier Reef or of Australia. And we shouldn't postpone exploring Brazilian rainforest much longer. Someday really like to climb to the top of an active volcano and look inside the crater. Or maybe we could Exercise 15. Preposition plus gerund. Directions. Using the verb in parentheses, complete the sentences with preposition and gerunds. 1. I believe in telling the truth no matter what. I wish the weather would get better. I'm tired of being inside all the time. I don't go swimming because I'm afraid of drowning. Greg is nervous about meeting B's girlfriend's parents for the first time. I don't know how to thank you for helping me. Are you interested in going to a bullfight? I just can't get excited about visiting Disneyland for the third time in 2 years. Why do you constantly worry about pleasing your parents? Every summer, I look forward to taking a vacation with my family. Do you feel like telling me why you're so sad? I apologize for lying, but I was trying to protect you from the truth. Sometimes the truth hurts. Why do you always insist on paying for everything when we go out for dinner? I want you to know that I'm sorry. I don't know if you can ever forgive me for causing you so much trouble. I'm not very good at remembering names. I'm not happy in my work. I often dream about quitting my job. How do you stop someone from doing something you know is wrong? I'm too tired to cook, but I hadn't planned on eating out tonight. Who is responsible for spilling these coffee beans all over the floor? Anna made a lot of big mistakes at work. That's why she was afraid of losing her job. Thank you and goodbye.